Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick cough syrup juice. Okay, all you need is just 3 medium carrots. These are my carrots. 1 small onion. If you're using the big onion, you have to use half onion, but you just have to use the 1 small onion and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, 1 or 2 glasses of this juice helps to weaken the cough. Okay, and at the same time help to support the clearing of the respiratory airways. The water provided by this juice also contributes to the removal of excess mucus. Okay, so this juice is very good. If you're having a cough, this is good for you. Just 1 or 2 glasses of this juice is okay for you. I'll be adding the carrot to the blender. Then I'm going to dice the onion and also add it together with the carrots. So I'll be adding just a little water. You need a little water to blend it, okay? Because this is cough syrup juice, so that it will be effective. So you can see the water I use in blending it is very small, so that all the flavor will come out. You don't need to use too much water to blend it. Just need small quantity of water to blend it. So this is the juice I got. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Okay, it's my teaspoon of honey. This is very good, okay, for cough. If you are having cough, serious cough, you need to take 1 or 2 glasses of this juice. every day. This will help relieve the cough, okay? Mix the honey very well until the honey dissolves. So this is very good. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Also help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see more of our posts. Thank you and always remain blessed.